Well, hello to my favorite and best advisor in fourth year high school, Miss Gloria Luna. Kamusta rin sa aking mga beauty kaklase sa 4-3 ng Batch 81 ng Paco Catholic School. I just wanted to send this really short message of sincere thanks and gratitude to Miss Luna, who never gave up on me and also who believed in me that I can do it. Dahil sa inyo, naipasa ko ang aking trigonometry class and I graduated with honors. So, part of my success I attribute to you and your patience and your loving care and etc. etc. Anyway, itong si Luisa nag-request pa na pakantahin ako. So hopefully this is not disaster dahil alam niyo naman na hindi na pang songfest ang aking boses. So here it goes. Parang kailan lang ang mga pangarap ko'y kay hirap abutin.